So this is Micromark's line of CA glues, cyanoacrylate glues. 3 different types of glue for different purposes. Our CA glue has Insta-Cure, the really thin, super thin, almost water-like consistency, viscosity. Cures in 1 to 3 seconds, and it's really great for bonding flat surfaces. Our medium-sized glue cures in 5 to 10 seconds. And if you have like a seam that has a small crack in it that needs a little bit of filler, the medium glue is perfect for that. And if you have a bigger area that has a gap, the Maxi-Cure takes 10 to 15 seconds to cure. And even if you have a hole in a piece of wood and you just want to fill it in, you might pour a little bit in, let it cure, and then fill it back up with a little more to get it to the top, to cure it. Another nice thing about our Micromark line of glues, or CA glues, is that a lot of times the top gets plugged and it's really hard to use the glue. And so we also sell separately tips that are very inexpensive that can go on, and it'll just give your glue a much better life and a better way to emit. So this is the line of CA glue by Micromark.